Do you have questions about the estate planning process but have no idea where to start? If so, you're not alone. And since October is National Estate Planning Month, I feel compelled to connect you with a resource who can put you in the right direction. My name is Darlene Perry, San Francisco Bay Area real estate agent with the Genesis team. And today, I'm delighted to introduce you to Annie Tyler of Norton, Basu, LLP. Annie, I have a lot of questions for you today, but I want to start with the basics. Can you tell us what is estate planning and why is it so important?
Okay, well, estate planning has to do with death, so we're going to have fun, but we're going to also cover taking care of loved ones and making sure that your estate passes to those you'd love to have benefit and in the easiest and less expensive way. That's a lot of what estate planning is about. So estate planning is wills and trusts, probate, administering a trust at death, and occasionally when people don't get along, it's trust and estate litigation.
Gotcha. So you talked a little bit about wills and trust in that last answer. What is the difference between a will and a trust?
Good question, Darlene. So I think a lot of people don't know. Many people are familiar with the word will, so they think that's all they need. A will is great because it does set forth who's in charge and who gets what. However, assets passed through a will still are eligible for probate. So they still go through the very expensive, time-consuming, and public process of probate, which is very undesirable for the reasons I just mentioned. With a trust, a revocable living trust, and that's the type we're talking about, which is very similar to a will, only better, because you do not go through probate with a trust if all the assets are properly titled. Also, it has living benefits. So there are benefits during lifetime. For example, if you're incapacitated, you'll have the trustee can step in and take over your assets and manage your assets during your lifetime. So a trust is like a will on steroids and much less expensive and time-consuming to administer at death.
Mm-hmm. Well, it sounds like a really complex topic. How does one get started?
Well, it's pretty easy to get started if you have a good attorney. So, setting up a will and trust, it is the practice of law. So, probably not a good DIY project. Good idea to contact a competent attorney. At our office, we make it really easy because we're very tech forward. So it's typically a consultation via phone or Zoom. We have an electronic questionnaire we send out, and then you kind of think about your decisions, consult further with the attorneys, we draft the documents, and you sign and notarize. Mm-hmm. So a pretty simple, straightforward process. There are a few decisions to make, but we help you with that.
Very good. Well, I appreciate you being here today. This is a very helpful topic, and it's definitely something that everyone needs to know about, so I definitely appreciate your time. Thank you, Annie.
Absolutely. Thank you, Darlene.
Of course. If you enjoyed this topic, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more ongoing real estate-related topics. I'm Darlene Perry, your Real Estate Connector. Thank you for watching this video. Make it a great day.